Listen, speak, read, write.
Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support. Subscribe now, like, and comment. Lesson 8, Adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs by answering or explaining how, when, where, or to what extent. Adverbs, how. How seeks to understand the specific way, manner, or specific approach, method used to do or achieve something. How also seeks to understand the quality or condition of something in terms of the degree, intensity, or manner. Examples: quickly, he ran home quickly. Carefully, he carefully handled the baby. Easily, he solved the problem easily. Neatly, she neatly folded the laundry. Efficiently, she efficiently manages her time. Badly, his head hurt badly. Adverbs, when. When seeks to understand or indicate the timing of an occurrence. Examples: yesterday, I saw her yesterday. Soon, I will call you soon. Today, it rained today. Always, he is always happy. Never, he never finishes his food. Before, he ate dinner before he slept. Now, he is watching TV now. Adverbs, where. Where seeks to understand or indicate location or placement. Examples: here, sit here next to me. There, please stand over there. Everywhere, it's raining everywhere. Nearby, the restaurant is nearby. Inside, the children played inside. Outside, we walked outside. Somewhere, is there somewhere to eat? Adverbs, to what extent. To what extent seeks to understand the scope, magnitude, or intensity, and to what degree or level. Examples: completely, I read the article completely. Partly, she partly finished her homework. Very, he liked the cake very much. Entirely, I agree with you entirely. Barely, she barely ate her dinner. Almost, I almost forgot to call you. Only, she only goes to church on Sunday. Reminder: an adverb is a word that modifies verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs by providing information about how, when, where, or to what extent they occur. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.